Alright folks, today we are doing what is called a New Orleans punch. New Orleans. No, it says New Orleans. Anyways, we're doing a New Orleans punch. I guess it starts out with 1 part raspberry syrup. Real quick note on the raspberry syrup. I made this. So basically all I did was making simple syrup, so 1 part water to 1 part sugar, and then I just put half to a cup of frozen raspberries in the boiling water for a while, and then strained the liquid through. So hopefully that'll be okay, because I looked everywhere for this stuff and I could not find it pre-made. Anyway, 1 part of this thing I made, hopefully this is delicious. Or I'll find other recipes that has raspberry syrup, because this is way a lot that I made. It's supposed to be 2 parts lemon juice, but I prefer to use just fresh squeezed lemon, and I don't feel like measuring it. So I'm just going to use an entire fresh squeezed lemon. Depending on the size, that can be 1 part to 1.5 parts. This is a pretty big lemon, so it should be enough. Oh yeah, that's a lot of juice. And that's just half. Then it's 1 part Jamaican rum. We're using Myers because the other one I have is in the back of the cupboard. And then finally, it's 2 parts bourbon. We're using one of the great American bourbons. Well, they're all American bourbons, that's the whole thing. But one of the original bourbons, Jim Beam. Then I'm going to shake this with ice, so I don't know why I put this in the glass it's going to end up in first. I just wanted you to see how pretty it was, is what put some ice in this baby. I'm really trying to get this weird shake down. It's like the bartender shake. It's a swirl and shake. Alright, so this is what you're supposed to do with this. Throw all that in there, a little bit more ice. And most punches are based on the Planter's Punch, which has charged water, which this isn't going to be much water anyways. But this one, I made way too much tea. You're supposed to make a very dark black tea and make it cold and add that. So I made this previously. It's one of the more planned out versions of this channel ever. Well, it took 99 videos to get there. So this is a New Orleans punch.
Oh.
How do you say that word?
New Orleans?
It's like a happy medium between the 2 ways.
It was good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste the raspberries?
I taste rum, I think. What's in it?
Hardly any rum. Rum is lighter. The rum.
I taste a lemon.
Oh, the lemon comes through a lot more. It's a lot of time. I taste the raspberry. It's a lot of time I spent on that raspberry business to make this. It's good. It's really interesting.
Bean wants to smell it.
Yeah. Bean, what do you think? Smells weird? Oh, she hates it. She's never been a fan of tea. So anyways, this seems good. So try it if you got the time. This was a lot more work than usual, and I thought about filming the making of the raspberry syrup, but I was so convinced that it was going to go terribly awry that I decided not to, just in case I was going to do an entirely different thing. Anyways, this is video number 99. Tune in next week for our 100th video spectacular. Ba-ba-bum! See ya then.
Next time on the fine art of mixing drinks.
Why did we do this? Where would you have put it?
I've always put it in the same spot.
I think someone's growling.